Welcome back to Linguish Yoga. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We're going to do a community circle breathing. Okay, so for community, that means we're going to pass our energy on to the next person. We'll pass it on to the next person. We'll pass it on to the next person. Pass it on to the next person. Okay? Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Now in the breathing, it's very important for children to realize that they breathe from here. So you're going to just practice with them. Put your hand here on your diaphragm, above your tummy, and breathe in. And now breathe out slowly until you feel it in your hand. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Can you feel it here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how we're going to breathe. Okay, so everyone, our favorite posture in yoga is the
Namaste.
Good.
Namaste.
Okay, so ready, everyone? Namaste.
Namaste.
And we'll start with the bunny breath. You guys ever know little bunny? Little cute bunnies?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to be bunnies. And we're going to breathe in and out. Okay, now I'm going to pass it on. I'm a bunny.
I'm a bunny.
I'm a bunny.
I'm a bunny.
Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. I'm a snake. Can you guys imagine what snake is like? What noise does a snake make? Ooh, excellent. Excellent, Eddies. Okay, so I'm a snake. And breathe in. Very long, okay.
I'm a snake.
I'm a snake.
Nice long snake.
I am a snake.
Excellent job, excellent job. Okay, now we are going to be bumblebees. Are you guys afraid of bumblebees? No? Yes, you're a little bit afraid of bumblebees? Ah. Okay, so we're going to breathe in and breathe out like bumblebees, okay? I'm a bee. You are bees.
I'm a bee.
Ooh, nice long, very good. Okay, and our last breath is the elephant breath. Yeah, and elephants are big or small?
Big. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we'll have to stand up to be elephants.
Okay.
Okay? So we're going to continue our community circle as elephants. Okay, so let's make the trunk. Okay. And we're going to breathe in as we bring our trunk up and breathe out as we bring it down. Okay? So, everyone, I'm an elephant.
I'm an elephant.
Now breathe out and swing your trunk. I'm an elephant.
I'm an elephant. I'm an elephant.
Breathe out, swing your trunk. Excellent. You guys did a great job breathing.
Thank you.
Bye.